Well, greetings and welcome to The View from the Road. This is my mostly weekly video about the goings-on here in the Thompson School District in the greater Loveland area. Busy, busy week. We have the UNC Greeley Jazz Fest this week. That'll be Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We'll be over at UNC out in the lobby area selling stuff, spreading the good word, talking to people. Got any needs from us, let us know. We can bring stuff there. Otherwise, if you happen to be at the festival, we will see you there. This week, again, I had a great conversation with a teacher. It was inspired by a podcast I was listening to. And the podcast was exploring the notion of, is college, or specifically higher ed, still worth it? And the lifelong benefits in terms of earning potential and things like that are known, but also they came out from a fulfillment standpoint. And that sparked the conversation I had with this teacher talking about the different motivations for why people learn stuff. And I've talked about this before, that kids tend to learn stuff to explore and adults tend to learn stuff to exploit. And the traditional method of college and university has been more exploratory. You have your general education requirements that you fulfill to explore a bunch of stuff and find out what direction that you might want to go in with your studies. Whereas now we're going more towards a very specialized and niche exploiting kind of learning, meaning if you want to learn how to, change a faucet in your sink, you would go and you'd find a YouTube video or find someone that can instruct you in just that one thing. And that's kind of more what the model is going towards as we're moving away from this notion that higher ed is for everybody. And what does this have to do with music, you might ask? Well, the reason that we take music, and again, the benefits of it are known, there are many of them, is to explore the possibilities. Is everyone that's going to learn an instrument going to become a professional musician? Of course not. Just like every kid that takes phys ed isn't going to become a professional athlete. But you do want the opportunity to explore these things and to see what's possible, because you never know where it's going to lead. So that's kind of the idea that I'm putting forth there. And part and parcel with that is another event that's coming up here is our Step Up Day. And that's a chance to explore options for better instruments if you're playing one and you're getting more serious about it. And the notion that I want to address with that is, oh, my kid's not good enough. When they get better, I'm going to get them, a better instrument. Well, would you, my example of that is always, would you say, when my kid becomes a good sprinter, I'm going to get him some spikes for the track team? No. You need the best possible equipment for where you're at to create the best possible results. So part of that exploration of music and developing that skill is going to be having quality equipment that you can grow with and that is grown with you. And if you're even potentially in the market for that, come on to our Step Up Day. It's going to be May 6th from 10 to 4 at the store at Boomer Music. And we'll have a variety of instruments to try out. You get additional rental credits if you're renting from us. And we'll have representatives from manufacturers there that can answer your questions, all kinds of stuff. So I hope you'll, if you're even remotely in the market, please come out and check that out. So that is your view from the road. As always, comment below, let me know what you think. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch up with you next time.
Thank you for riding along and seeing The View from the Road. If you liked this video, please share it with a friend. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, and you will never miss a new video. I'm Drew Holmes, owner of Boomer Music Company and educational representative for the Thompson School District in Loveland, Colorado. Thanks for watching.